Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The United States Secretary of State, Anthony Blinken, visits Jamaica as Haiti explode to another level of violence.
Rasta transportation, you know. Rasta transportation to the world. TV, you know. I love me YouTube, Deep Roots TV. Yeah, man. See real roots, them, the man. The real roots.
Greetings, and salutations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. YouTube, send this to all my brothers and sisters that say they are Haitians. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican, it's Rastafari, so we have Deep Roots TV, hit that red subscribe button, and we're going to have a great relationship, ladies and gentlemen. The United States Secretary of State, Anthony Blinken, is in Jamaica Monday in the Caribbean, where the leaders gathered in Jamaica as part of an urgent push to solve Haiti's spiraling crisis. While pressure grows, the Prime Minister, Ariel Henry, has resigned at this moment. Now, Henry is expected to attend the closed-door meeting organized by members of the regional trade bloc CARICOM, who for months have passed for transitional government in Haiti as the violent protests demand Henry resignation. I want to play a news report here for you so we could continue on. As you see,
in Haiti's capital, Secretary of State Anthony Blinken in Jamaica for an emergency meeting with Caribbean leaders amid the crisis.
We all know that urgent action is needed on both the political and security tracks to help move things in a better direction, to help do right by the people of Haiti.
All right, now that the country of Haiti, the island of Haiti, have spiraled out of control, because it's been sitting there for years, out of control, since the Prime Minister of Haiti has been assassinated with a plot by his wife. It appears that no one cares about Haiti.
The U.S. has previously pledged to provide $200 million to the cause, bringing the total to $300 million. Blinken also pledging an additional $33 million from the U.S. for humanitarian needs in Haiti.
Pledge. Remember, pledge. Have not given yet, but has pledged.
The country experiencing one of the worst humanitarian crises in the world, according to nonprofits like Hungry in Haiti, who say they are struggling to get food and water distributed.
We have a fuel shortage. So trucks and vehicles are stuck. We don't have access to our warehouse.
ABC's Matt Rivers speaking to the warlord behind the rebellion, demanding the prime minister step down.
If Ariel Henry resigns, will you stop fighting?
Telling Matt if the prime minister resigns, they will automatically stop the attacks. Melissa.
All right, who you looking at right there was Barbecue. Barbecue more than likely is being funded by the United States of America to destabilize the country of Haiti. As you see there, the Prime Minister of Haiti, Ariel Henry, and I told you he has resigned at this moment because gunmen has, taken over the island. So they have said, and has released more than 4,000 inmates. Scores of people have been killed and more than 15,000 were homeless after fleeing neighborhoods raided by gangs. Food and waters are dwindling. As they stand right now, the stores are sold out. People are now impoverished in Haiti, and this has been going on for a while. The main port of Port-au-Prince remains closed. There are now stranded dozens of containers with critical supply, and we remains, as the Prime Minister, as he resigned now, actually, as the President of Haiti, and people are wondering what's going to go on. It's a long time coming that international help, CARICOM, help Haiti. And the people of the Caribbean, the population, the amount of Haitians that are abroad need to stand up, because a lot of the destabilization, a lot of the crisis that's going on in Haiti are being generated by rich Haitians abroad. And a lot of CIA and FBI work are within this to destabilize it, because Haiti is rich in resources like minerals, rich in soil. They have diamonds, golds, and the only way that they could take those things is to watch them pillage and burn themselves. It's unfortunate that it's now that the United States and Jamaica CARICOM is stepping in to help solve this issue, because it's obvious. They have taken out the head of Haiti. They are reporting that the Haitian president was assassinated through a plot, a ploy designed by his wife. And more than likely, Haiti is going to go through the hands of America, if it's not already being destabilized through strategies of the American government, so they could, make this makeshift, organized plan, because all these men at the table in CARICOM are puppets or sheeples of the United States government. Ladies and gentlemen, I am elated that the former president of Haiti has stepped down. The former prime minister, I should say prime minister, because Haiti don't have a president, Ariel Henry, has now stepped down, and that Anthony Blinken has stepped up with Jamaica, because Jamaica is a leader. But again, they are Braca Master's friend. You are going to the top slaves. So they're going to step forward, and I hope that Guyana, Trinidad, and all the CARICOM and Jamaica and all those people actually help Haiti stand up. And this is a long time coming. It's disappointed that we had to watch Haiti suffer again and burn. Children have to starve. Innocent people have to die. Where are our humanity and our love for our brothers that showed us how to rebel and how to stand up on our feet? My Haitian brothers and sisters, we love you, and we hope that there's a real, genuine care for your country to help stabilize and put a proper prime minister back in power, to get some proper governance, so the children, the men, the women, the elderlies of the country can live a prosperous and a safe life. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here reporting live. The United States Secretary of State, Anthony Blinken, has visited Jamaica with the Jamaican Prime Minister and the CARICOM and other prime ministers and representatives of Guyana, Trinidad, and other Caribbean countries to come up with a solution to help Haiti stand up and to try to help stabilize the environment that's within the country. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen, why you think that Haiti has been going through such a tumultuous crisis for all these years, and no one, no black nation, no one in Africa, no one in America, how many billions of dollars that melanated people worldwide have, and no one of stature, of voice, will help Haiti. Why do they hate Haiti so much? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Leave your comment here on the channel. Let us help our brothers and sisters worldwide. CARICOM, the United States Secretary of State, Anthony Blinken, and the Jamaican Prime Minister has gathered in Jamaica to talk, to see if they could come up with a solution to help stabilize our brothers, our sisters in Haiti lives. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel. Build up the